Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials with David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to view your email password on your Outlook. Well, the truth is you actually can't direct view your email password for security reasons, but you can recover access the proper way. If your email is already logged in and working, then Outlook hides the password by default, of course, just like any other app. After that, you want to go to account settings to regain it, select your email account, and choose change. You'll notice the password field is masked and cannot be revealed. The correct move is to reset your password through your email provider instead, like Microsoft, Gmail, or your company's email server. Open a browser, go to the provider's official password recovery page, verify your identity when prompted, and then this keeps your account secure whilst restoring full access without risking data or violating security rules. That is the most easiest way to view your email password on your Outlook.